Yo, what's going on guys, FuZion here and welcome to a new video. Now guys, before we jump into the video, make sure you guys drop a like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications if you guys want to see more tutorial and how-to videos. So guys, have you ever been in a situation where you need PS Plus on PS4? Whether you really want to play this game that requires PS Plus, or you want to get one of the celebration packs for Fortnite like I do. I'm going to show you guys today how to get a free 2-day trial of PlayStation Plus. Now note, you can only do this one time, but anybody can do it. So as we jump in here to the PlayStation menu, if we actually go over to the PlayStation Store and we go down to PS Plus, you can see you can try PlayStation Plus free for 14 days. But that's not what we're going to be doing today, because actually once you join this trial, you will actually have to subscribe to PlayStation Plus, I'm pretty sure. And the reason why I'm personally doing this is because if you actually go to the search bar, you can see there's a Fortnite PlayStation Celebration Pack. We're going to be getting this today with proof. You know, if I try to click on it, it just takes me to the Join PlayStation Plus screen. But what we're going to be doing is going back to the main menu. And once we're at the main menu, what you want to do is go all the way over to your settings. Go down to Application Save Data Management. Click on one of these things that have the PlayStation Plus symbol next to it, and it will bring you to this screen that says try PlayStation Plus free for 2 days. Once you click on it, it will say thank you for trying PlayStation Plus. You can now access online multiplayer features, free games from Instant Game Collection, exclusive PlayStation Store discounts, and more. Your trial will expire in 2 days. Now guys, you now have PlayStation Plus if you did these steps. To show proof, I am going to go back to the PlayStation Store and go and get this exclusive PlayStation Plus Fortnite Celebration Pack. But guys, thank you for watching this video. If you guys want to see more tutorial or how-to videos in the future, make sure you guys drop a like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications. I will have a minute or two of me showing off the actual celebration pack here on Fortnite. So yeah, I'll see you guys later.
Thank you.
Act like I ain't all this. Getting money, that my main focus. With 2, 2, 3, and you act like you don't know this. You're part of beam and my always rolling, tweaking. Me and KK, why we always geeking.